2017 Dodge Charger, 392 HEMI. Beautiful car. Still got the stock converters there and there, the factories. Got a factory X pipe. Then earlier in the year we did Magnaflow Magnapacks on it. And then he decided it's not loud enough, so he went and bought two Vibrant 1794, I think the number on them. Glass packs there and there, race bullets, and we put 4-inch tips on it for him also. So it's something different. You guys haven't heard that before. It's a mixture of both. I'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. It's the RT edition. This is what we took off the rear mufflers right there. I'll let you hear it. Not bad. Oh, I like it. That's actually a really good combo. I've never heard them like that. They're usually a lot more raspy.
Yeah. Well, obviously those
the Vibrants are helping. And we put the boards. Updates. ...2016 Dodge Charger SCAT pack, 6.4 liter. Right there, there's the SCAT pack. What we did on it, still got the stock converters right there. Then right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then we put some Dynomax race bullets right there and right there, 3-inch. And then we just brought it back and we'll put them some 5-inch tips right there and right there. There's what it looks like under there. I'll let you hear it in a second. You're next. They do. Let's try this part too. 2016 Dodge Charger 392 HEMI, royal purple or crazy purple or crazy plum purple SRT. It's got the stock converters, comes with a factory X pipe, and we did a resonator or mid muffler delete on it. We kept the rear mufflers or resonators, each person calls them differently. Right there and right there. There's where we deleted them. Let you hear it in a minute. This is the old two we just cut off. Right there. Go ahead. That's where we cut them off. '17 Charger SRT8. It's got long tube headers, high flow cats. We did a mid muffler delete, and it's still got the stock rear mufflers on it. I'll let you guys hear it. That's the long tube headers. That's what they changed the sound a lot with high flow cats on these cars. Shout out to my boy if you guys want to check his channel out. That's the name of his channel right there. Give it again. They never disappoint. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. You can still hear it. Yeah, he wasn't kidding. 2019 Dodge Charger HEMI SCAT pack. And what we did after, there's the two cats still. There's the X pipe. Then we did the mid muffler delete right there on that side and that side. And then we did a rear muffler or rear resonator delete right there and right there. And then that's what we just took off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute.